What if a simple patch could really burn fat, speed up your metabolism, balance blood sugar, and help you lose weight without changing your diet or exercise routine? That's exactly what the Sarivoa Moringa Berberine Patch promises. But after carefully examining the available information, the reality appears far more complicated than the marketing suggests. The product heavily promotes so-called advanced nano-microneedle technology, claiming it delivers powerful ingredients through the skin for rapid results. Yet there is no publicly available clinical evidence proving this patch can produce the dramatic weight loss or metabolic benefits shown in its advertisements. Many promotional videos also rely on impressive-looking graphics and AI-generated content that make the product appear more scientifically validated than the available evidence actually supports. Another concern is the use of supposed doctor endorsements and authority figures without clear verification, making it difficult to determine whether these experts genuinely support the product. The before and after transformations and glowing customer testimonials featured in many ads should also be viewed cautiously because some appear heavily edited, reused, or impossible to independently verify. In addition, marketing materials sometimes create the impression that the product has official approvals or scientific backing that are not clearly documented. There are also reports from buyers who say they encountered recurring billing or subscription-related issues after purchasing, making it important to carefully read all checkout terms before placing an order. While moringa and berberine are ingredients that have been studied individually in certain health contexts, that does not automatically prove that wearing them in patch form delivers the same effects or produces significant weight loss. Overall, the Sarivoa Moringa Berberine Patch raises several unanswered questions regarding its scientific claims, advertising methods, and overall transparency. If you're considering buying it, take time to research beyond the promotional videos. Verify the evidence independently and keep realistic expectations instead of relying on bold marketing promises alone.